everything our.
How old are you?
I
am
am
3.
3 years old.
Where do you live?
I live
In
in
Bayanan,
Bayanan,
Muntinlupa.
Upa City.
What is the name of your brother?
My brother's name
Is
is
Zyros.
Cyrus Ava.
What is the name of your father?
My father's name
Is
is
Antonio
Antonio
Mota.
Mota Ava.
What is the name of your mother?
My mother's name
Is
is
Zara.
Cyrus
Zara.
Ava.
Soto.
Toto. Mom.
How are you?
Mom, your mouth is very quiet.
How are you?
I
Good.
find.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, I read.
Are you ready to study?
Yes. Yay.
So you need to practice more,
Mom,
okay?
what's that?
Oh, you counting na, you counting.
Oh, this is
Ayan.
cool.
Ayan, sit down. Then you counting. 1. Sit down na, sit down.
I like this one.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a clay
Oh,
ground.
you sit down here. Here.
What is
Oh, kuya,
that?
you introduce yourself na. My name. What is your name?
My name is Cyrus Awa.
Very good. How old are you?
I am 5 years
Very
old.
good.
I like
What is the name of your sister?
My sister name is
Ashley Zane.
Asri Zain Awa.
Very
Mommy,
good.
I love you, Mommy.
Where do you live? I love you. Where do you live?
I live
In
in
Bayanan.
Bayanan. I like this one. Muntinlupa City.
Very good. What is the name of your father?
My father's name is Asri Zain Antonio Mota Awa.
What is the name of your mother?
My mother's name is
Zara.
Zawa Soto.
How are you?
I am
How are you? You are not good? How are you?
I am
I'm good. Oh.
I'm good.
How are you?
I'm good.
Do not look into your sister when you are practice to introduce yourself.
Sister, don't put it there in the window. It's dangerous.
Nagapansin mo, gustong kulit nito at nagpa-practice si Kuya na. Okay na. You say.
Pink.
You sit down na, then you're gonna pray.
Okay.